Born of the Enigma. The origin of existence is one of the most profound enigmas that has challenged the human mind since the dawn of thought. From ancient myths to modern scientific theories, humanity has persistently sought to understand where this being emerged from and how it became possible. Yet every answer has birthed new questions, and no intellectual framework, neither theology, nor science, nor philosophy, has ever provided a definitive, contradiction-free response to this fundamental mystery. The questions remain. How can existence be infinite if we imagine it had a beginning? And how can it be finite when we perceive no end to it? If existence is truly boundless, why did it begin? And if it is limited, what lies beyond its borders? Can matter, which itself depends on space, time, and law, be the origin of existence? Can matter explain its own being? And can it give rise to consciousness, which is neither measurable nor repeatable? Can nothing, which lacks structure and potential, bring forth anything at all? Can God, as a willful being, be the originator without being subject to time? And if creation is driven by will and decision, can God be timeless, when will and decision require sequence and duration? Can something infinite and boundless be housed within a limited unit called existence, without diminishing its infinitude? Can we assign contradictory attributes to what is deemed absolute? A perfectly merciful being who can also compel? A perfectly kind one who can also rage? Can a changeless, immutable God be described with changing attributes? We know that attributes gain meaning only in relation to others, and this relation imposes limitation on a being considered limitless. Moreover, we know that contradictory attributes, when assigned simultaneously to a single essence, are not signs of perfection but of disorder. These questions reveal that traditional theology, classical philosophy, and even modern scientific theories face serious challenges in explaining the origin of existence. Materialism collapses in its attempt to define eternal matter. Theology is trapped in the narrow cage of describing the infinite through finite forms, and science, bound by the framework of space-time, wrestles with dark energy, quantum vacuum, and the paradox of time emerging from timelessness. The theory of Inopantheism offers a new framework for understanding existence by redefining foundational concepts and introducing two core principles. Unlike chance-based theories such as multiverse models or certain interpretations of quantum mechanics, Inopantheism emphasizes the intrinsic lawfulness of being. Its foundations rest on philosophical intuition, scientific evidence, and the observable order in the cosmos and living systems. It sees order not as the product of randomness, but as a sign of an objective truth, independent of mind and emotion, discoverable and examinable, and in opposition to relativism.